sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Ram 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.